Good morning, Mr. Azri. This is my PLC demonstration for the automated pallet sorting system. Now the system is idle, so I will press the start button. But before that I start the start button, I will reset the system first and turn on, and then I press the start button. So here we got a latching issue because I got a lot of ladder rung diagram. So to fix this problem, I just need to reset some switches here, the component of the ladder, and then the latching will be start on. Okay, now the latching is already on. Once I release the start button, it's already trigger on. So here the conveyor is moving the bottle to the labeling section area. Okay, this is the stop button. If I press the stop button, the conveyor will be stopped. The coil motor of the conveyor will be stopped. So now I press the stop button, the conveyor is stopped, and then conveyor is not running. The conveyor go negative. Once I release the stop button, it will continue to run. So here, okay, since it's already in the latching mode, okay, so we continue the conveyor movement to the labeling area, where the labeling area sensor number S3 will be triggered. And once it's triggered, it's already done. So once the labeling done sensor S7 is triggered on, the conveyor will take some time to move. Now the conveyor is no more stop and is continue to run. Once it's continue to run, it will go to the inspection area. So now the labeling is done here. Okay, and then inspection area. Once it go to the inspection area, the conveyor will be stopped. Once the conveyor is stopped, so it will prompt to the scanner barcode area. Once the scanner barcode area trigger, okay, it will take some delay time to make the conveyor to run. Inspection is done, so it's go off. The S1 switch is go off, and the scanner barcode okay is go off also. Okay, now once it's reach at the loading section, which triggered by the sensor B1, the conveyor will be stopped, and it will extend the pusher piston. So it will energize the solenoid YO, which is extend. So once it's extend, the pusher retraction home sensor will be go off. So once the pusher extend, the solenoid YO energize, it will extend. So this one will be this S15 sensor will be trigger on. So here it will retract back the solenoid Y1 to be energized. So once it's energized, the loading sensor B1, where the pallet is already moved to the box, it will go off, and the retract home sensor position will turn on. So once it's done, the timer will count for some delays, and it will do the counter 1. And once the circuit is already connected, the conveyor motor will be start to run, and resetting all the counter, timer, reset, and another timer, and it's back to the normal position. Okay, I have developed another safety circuit, which is a overload, e-stop, and fault alarm circuit components, which is whenever the overload is triggered by the sensor S6 as loading area. So this one will trigger fault alarm, and the fault alarm will create the alarm, which is output. So once clear the bottleneck issue at the loading area. Once press the manual reset, it will reset the fault alarm. This is my developed ladder diagram for the automated system. Thank you very much. I'm Megaviknan. My student ID is 0412402996. Thank you.